Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to convert JPG image to PNG image. It is an easy way to convert any image to PNG and any format. First show you image. I convert this image to PNG. First show you, right click, properties and JPG file. Then go to google.com and search cloudconvert.com. Click on this site, cloudconvert.com. Then select file from my computer, download this file, select open, and then select convert to PNG, search PNG, click, then click on convert. Just wait. So my image is converted to PNG. Then click on download. So this image is converted to PNG. I show you this image. This image is JPG and this image is PNG. Right click, properties, and show. This image is converted to PNG file. So you can see how I converted to JPG image to PNG easily. So like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.